Alright, we're looking at question number 4 on our Test 2 review video for Math 1105. Here's the tenet behind this question. You're given two different equations of lines, and you're asked to determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. And what you need to remember is when you're trying to determine if lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither, you need to do a comparison of their slopes. If their slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. If their slopes are opposite reciprocals of each other, meaning, for example, if one slope was 2/3, the other would be -3/2, opposite and reciprocals, then the lines would be perpendicular. And if neither of those comparisons works, then the lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular. So let's go ahead and look at our specific problem. All right, my first equation, 5x plus 2y equals 8. It's not in the correct form to tell what the equation of that line is, so what we need to do is solve this equation for y. Put this in the slope y equals mx in the slope-intercept form. So we have 2y is equal to the opposite of 5x plus 8, and I divide everything by 2, every term by 2, and I'm getting y is equal to -5/2 x plus 4. So what I can tell here is the slope of the first line, m sub 1, that means the slope of line 1, is -5/2. Now I need to do the same thing for my second line. So 5y is equal to the opposite of 2x plus 4. I divide by 5. And I end up getting y is equal to -2/5 x plus 4/5. This is now in slope-intercept form, so I can clearly see the coefficient of the x is the slope. So m sub 2, which means the slope of line 2, is -2/5. Now when I do the comparisons, -5/2 and -2/5, well, they're definitely not equal to each other. Sometimes people think the answer is perpendicular because they look like reciprocals. Well, remember, to be perpendicular, not only do they have to be reciprocals, but they have to be opposite in signs. And both of these are negative. So there's no way these are opposite reciprocals. They are reciprocals, but they are not opposite reciprocals. Therefore, the correct answer to this problem is neither. The lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular.